Today I'm with my sister. We're going to do the project together. This is a nice project for a party or a celebration. All you need is a paper towel roll, decorations, which we have here.
Also, you can use markers.
Scissors, rubber bands, confetti.
You can also use tissue paper and gift bag filler.
And balloons.
First thing you need to do is take the paper towel roll and decorate it however you want. Take some old tissue paper and cut it into pieces. Next step you need to do is cut the top of the balloon off. Okay. Make sure to cut the opening. Then stretch the balloon over the top. It should look something like this. Pull it down, then secure it with a rubber band. Finally, flip your cannon over and fill it with confetti. Make sure to stuff it all the way into the balloon. Now you guys are ready to shoot off your cannon.
You're basically throwing yours.
Have fun making this on your own. Drop a comment down below and let me know how it worked. Now remember, smash that like button, ring the bell,
and subscribe
if you liked my video. Bye!
It's time to clean up. Who's gonna help me?